Hey guys, it's Mrs. Courtney here. I'm going to teach you how to play a card game called Trash. And all you need is a deck of cards. First, I'm just going to kind of tell you the little point system. It's not really a point system, but how you count them. The ace stands for 1. And then we have the number 2, which stands for 2. 3 is 3. Now when you play the game, they don't have to be all the same suit. I just picked all diamonds, so I knew I had all of them. 4 stands for 4. The 5 will stand for 5. 6 stands for 6. 7 stands for 7. 8 will stand for the number 8. 9 stands for 9. 10 stands for 10. And now the face cards are where it gets kind of tricky. The jack is a wild, so it can be placed anywhere. And then the queen and also the king are not good, and that makes you stop your turn. So I'm going to walk you through how to play the card game Trash. Okay, so here's how you play the card game Trash. You and your partner, you're going to play with a partner, and you both need 10 cards. 4, 6, 8. Okay, and then you're going to have a stack in the middle. Now you're going to put 2 rows, 5 on top, 5 on bottom. Okay. And then since I dealt, my partner would go first. And what you have to do is the partner would flip over the top card, and they got a king. And since the king and the queen make their turn stop, so that my partner's turn would stop. Then I get a turn to flip over the card. And I got a jack. Now the jack is wild, so I can put it anywhere that I choose. And I'm going to pick to put it right here. So I will put my jack here, and then flip over that card. And now my card is a 7. So now I'm going to put my 7 in my 7th card. I'm going to start at the top. So this would be my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll put my 7 card here and flip over the card that was there. Now I have a 9. So I'm going to put this in my 9th space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or I could have started here and counted up. So I have 7, 8, 9. Your goal is to get all 10 of them shown. So I flipped over, put my 9 there, and flipped over the card that was there, and it's an 8. And I keep going until either I get a king or a queen, or whatever card I flip over, and if that card already has a space there. So I'm going to put my 8, where my 8 spot is. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. I put my 8 there, flip over this card, and I drew a 9 again. But I already have my 9 card flipped over. So I'm going to put it on my discard pile. Now it'll be my partner's turn. My partner can either draw a card from the deck, or they could take the 9. And they're going to pick the 9, and they're going to put it in their spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they flipped over a 6 again. So they're going to put that in the discard pile. Now I can look. I don't have my 6 card flipped over yet. It's still with the back. So I'm going to pick up the 6, put it in that spot, flip it over, the card that was there, and I have a 5. So I'm going to put this in my 5th spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got a 10. Put it in my 10 spot. I have a 2 now, since I put my 10 there and I flipped that card over. And I drew a 2. So I can't use that card because I already have a 2. My partner can either again draw from this pile, or pick up my 2 from before. They're going to pick up my 2. This is a 1, or we use as an ace 2. So they're going to put the 2 there, flip over their card. They have another 6, but they can't use it because they already have their 6, so they're going to put in the discard pile. Next would be my turn. I already have a 6, so I'm not going to pick up that one. I'm going to pick up another card. And I drew a 5. I already had my 5, so I'm going to put it down. Next, we move to my partner. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. They haven't flipped over their 5 yet. So they're going to pick up that card from our discard pile, put it in their 5 spot, and flip over the card was there. They drew a jack, and jacks are wild, so they can put it anywhere they want. So my partner decides to put it with the ace or the 1 spot, and they flipped over their card that was there, which is a 7. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They put their 7 there, flipped the card that was there, and have a 4. Now they're going to find the 4 spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. This card is also a 4. So they lost. They're done with their turn. So they put in the discard pile. Next is my turn. Since I didn't have a 4, I picked up their card and put it there. But my card underneath it was a queen. And king and queens make your turn stop. So the goal is to get all of your cards flipped over in order from 1 to 10, and then you win.